to my shoulder. Nigga, you mad and I'm over. I pull up the original road. I pull up the original road. Dropping that lean on my shoulder. Nigga, you mad and I'm over. I pull up the original road. I pull up the original road.
What's good, my niggas? It's your boy Diamond fucking Hoover. I ain't even got that bitch in me today, but look, here is the fucking dribble glitch move in the fucking game. I want to say double dribble, carrying, whatever the fuck, walking. You know what I'm saying? It's not really walking, but you're not really carrying, but it's a fucking glitch in the game. So now, here what it is. If you pump fake and you pick the ball up right here, right? Now say you pump fake and you shoot the ball and you can't even move anymore, right? This is what you do. You hit LT to post up and you rotate the thumbstick towards whatever side the ball is on. And you see that? So the ball was damn near like he held it bottom right, so I flicked the shit right. You see the ball right here, so I would flick it left. You see that right there, and it works in park. I will have gameplay out here for y'all. You already know I got y'all. I hit 723 fucking subscribers, my nigga. If I hit 800 by next week, I'ma cry. I promise y'all. I hit 800 by next week, I'm doing a giveaway. That's big facts. Y'all can hold me to it. Y'all got my word, and you see me right here. This is the first time I was really trying it out, but I went in the lab and really figured shit out for real. You pump fake, and when you pick up the ball and you can't dribble anymore, all you have to do is post up and rotate the thumbstick towards whatever hand the ball is in. So if I pump fake right here and the ball's on my right side heavy, rotate the thumbstick right, and you see I'm gonna pick the ball up just like that, and it's fucking cheesy. So for you dribble god ass niggas that might get bumped and you might get hit and you just stop your ball movement, all you gotta do is post up and rotate the thumbstick towards whatever hand the ball is in. And green bean, fuck you mean, fuck this niggas talking about. But I just had to get this out here for y'all, just in case y'all niggas haven't seen it. For the niggas that have seen it, that still don't get it, I give you the advanced way and the right details to do this shit. So remember, when you pick the ball up, post up and rotate the thumbstick towards whatever hand the ball is on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know who the fuck it is. It's your boy Diamond fucking Hoover, and it's road to 1K, man. Let's get this bitch, and I'm gonna hit 800 subscribers by next week, hopefully, if y'all want that giveaway, man. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe, and I'm out this bitch, man. Let's get it.